What's up mga langga? And to this vlog, we're going in Glen, Sarangani province. This travel is a part of our second wedding anniversary. Sometimes mga langga, we need to relax, we need to calm ourselves, we need to unwind, we need to take care of our mental health, physical and emotional. So here we go. Without further ado, let's go. So mga langga, dito na nga kami sa Kamari Beach Resort and Hotel here in Glen, Sarangani province. And our check-in time is 2 p.m. until 11 a.m. So this time we are heading to our room. Our room number is 102. So let's go here. Upstairs. So there we go. This is our room. Now let's check outside. Let's check out the view. Oh wow, nice. Our room is in front of the beach. So mga langga, this is our room. A small room, but it has a good view here. So what's good about here is we have our own mini pool just beside of our room. So look at this awesome view here. It's really cool, right? So amazing. Look at that. Oh, this is the mini pool. So dahil nga sa long travel at di pa kami kumain sa bahay, so we decided to both Jollibee at dalhin dito yung pagkain para dito kainin. Talaga nakakagutom talaga mga langga pag nag-travel ka ng malayo. We traveled almost like 3 hours or more than. After we rest in our room, we decided to go outside and check out the whole place. So we're here in the beach side. They have a bed here at the side of the beach, and you can relax. You can sightseeing the view here. And this is the night view of the resort. Since it's dinner time, we decided to order here and have our dinner. So we just ordered panga ng isda, and yeah, we enjoyed the night. So kinabukasan mga langga, ito yung view sa amin sa terrace sa room namin. So this is beachfront. So naglakad-lakad na nga kami mga langga dito sa seashore. At marami pala dito mga katabing resort, public resort, tabi-tabi lang, kaya naglakad-lakad at picture-picture na rin kami dito kasi yung mga katabi ng resort dito may mga residential at ang hanap buhay nila ay mangingisda. So kaya maraming bangka dito. At hanggang dito na lang mga langga. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Have a great day everyone. Ciao!